the silence of the spotlight, we still hear your names. Every step inside this ring still echoes your flames. You fought through pain and thunder. You stood when hope was gone. You carved your name in history. A legacy lives on. The crowd may fade to shadows, the lights may dim away, but heroes never truly fall. Their spirit o'er through every scar, through every broken dream. You showed the world what fighters are. You became more than a man.